Guys, as we know, OnePlus 12 is going to launch next year 2024, but leaks has been starting from now. According to China's social media site Weibo, the OnePlus 12 is going to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which has yet to be announced but is expected to become official in October. This matches what we heard from a reliable tipster digital chat station last month. Guys, this chipset will be more powerful than the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and it will include one additional performance core and one less efficiency core. Guys, OnePlus 12 will support Samsung-made 2K resolution ultra narrow curved display. It will feature a hole punch selfie camera in the center top of the screen. The size of the display is not included in the leak, but we can imagine that it will be most likely 6.7 inches AMOLED panel used on the OnePlus 11. Guys, the camera array for the OnePlus 12 features an upgrade, as the tipster says. It will be led by a 50 megapixel primary camera backed by Sony IMX9 image sensor. Guys, there will also be a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a pre-scope telephoto lens using the OmniVision OV64B sensor. The battery will exceed a 5000 mAh capacity according to the tipster, which could mean super battery life for the phone. With support for 150 watt charging, the battery situation seems to be well in hand, although we could see the charging speed reduce in the United States. Guys, according to the tipster, the OnePlus might unveil the new phone this year last month, and it just might be the first phone to be powered by Qualcomm next generation processor that will make him a masterpiece. Guys, OnePlus also doing something interesting in its first foldable, so must look at that innovation as well. And if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the like and subscribe button.